How to draw a baby Hello Kitty easily. First, sketch an oval for the Hello Kitty's head and body using a pencil. Then draw the hand and the feet. Then sketch the ears, ribbons, eyes, and nose. Then thicken the sketch using a thin marker. Upload your image in the comments column, and what are your suggestions for the next image? Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button for further image updates. Then color it according to your taste. Then thicken the sketch again, now using a thick marker. Give the clothes white dots using a white marker to give the impression of baby clothes. And the picture is done.